The summer sun really brings out the best in the Iowa crop. We're looking at record yields this year, folks. And here it is, fresh off the stalk. You just pull back the husk like this, and look at those beautiful yellow kernels.
All right, keep it coming straight. Watch your clearance on the right. We monitor the quality of the corn constantly as it moves along the belt here. This ensures only the best kernels make it through. The cobs are moved rapidly down this line where they are sorted by the optical sensors before moving to the husker.
The technology behind me inspects and sorts every cob, dramatically increasing efficiency and quality control. Using advanced laser technology, the optical sorter scans the corn flow, ensuring only the highest quality product moves forward.
Here we have a handful of the cut fresh corn kernels, ready for the next stage of processing.
As you can see, the steam rising here indicates the immense power required for this harvest. This machine is working at full capacity. Once the corn is harvested, we immediately transport it to the facility to begin the blanching and cooling process. Watch the gauge closely. As I apply heat, the kinetic energy increases, and that needle climbs, indicating the rising pressure inside the cooker.
As you can see, the robotic arm identifies the box, lifts it from the conveyor, and places it accurately onto the stack.
So let's see what we have here. Ah, yes, the corn. This is absolutely vital for the salsa we are making today.
Now we take our can of corn, grab the opener, and simply attach it to the rim.
Next, we're going to take the canned corn and pour it directly into the glass bowl here on the counter.
These fields represent the future of agriculture. Behind me, the harvest from 1,000 acres is processed every day.
As the sun sets on the old ways, we look to the horizon. This field represents not just a harvest, but the future we are building together.